Hey guys, you're back. You're welcome back. We're live on Apollox announcement. We have the 700 USDT giveaway. Complete beginner missions earn up to 700 USD. So new to Apollox, stand a chance to earn up to 700 USD. To take on beginner missions to learn how to deposit and trade on Apollox. Once you complete your missions within 90 days to earn rewards, so that's within 3 months. So I think this is a great one, guys. You want to be check it up. So all you need to do, you're gonna click the sign up. When you click on sign up, it's gonna direct you up to the link where you're going to sign up. I'm gonna be dropping our affiliated discount link in the description box below. So once you are done registering, you're good to go. So the Apollox app, they also have their official app. I think that's where it's taking us to Play Store. But what you need to do, you sign up or through the web version. When you're done signing up through the web version, you can also download the app version, so you don't miss out on any sign up bonuses that may be attached to these to utilizing Apollox in general. So those are some of the perks. So this 700 USDT is open to new users. Then for returning users, they also have other perks which will drop some updates. They have this 1000 USDT airdrop that you want to check that out, as well as the APS and token giveaway for Telegram and social media participation. So when you chat up or you participate in the social media chats, you get your rank increases and you get a chance to be part of the winners. So guys, we're currently waiting for this to load. I think we're having some glitches here. We do hope this is helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our videos. It's your boy Keys. Peace out, and see you in our next upload. Stay safe.